Welcome to Hype Tech Picks. If you're thinking about upgrading your nightstand with a digital alarm clock that actually does more than just yell at you in the morning, this video's for you. Today, we're covering the top 5 best digital alarm clocks with USB ports, chosen for their charging power, safety features, display quality, and overall value. For more details and the latest prices, you'll find all the product links in the description below. Let's get started. We're kicking things off with the Hatch Restore 3 sleep system. This isn't just a clock, it's a full-blown sleep coach designed to keep you off your phone. It packs a sunrise alarm that mimics natural light to wake you up gently, along with a sound machine featuring over 80 science-backed sounds. The design is a clean, semicircular shape that looks premium in any bedroom. It's got a dimmable display that can go completely dark if you're sensitive to light. You control most of the deep settings through an app, but there's a big physical button on top for the sleepy-handed. It requires a stable 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi connection and needs to stay plugged in to work. You also get a 30-day trial of their premium content subscription out of the box. This is a high-end choice for anyone who hates traditional, jarring alarms. The sunrise simulation supports your natural circadian rhythm, making mornings feel less like a chore. While it's a premium investment and some content stays behind a subscription, the build quality and screen-free routine are worth it for serious sleepers. It's a beast of a sleep system. Next is the Broserengy Tech A21-B. This thing is basically a tech hub for your bedside. It packs a wireless charging pad on top, a Bluetooth 5.0 speaker, and an RGB nightlight with multiple modes. We love that it syncs the time automatically once you connect your phone via Bluetooth, so you don't have to mess with buttons. It features dual 5-watt speakers that deliver clear audio for music or your alarm. There are 6 brightness levels for the screen, ranging from totally off to very bright. It also includes a USB port on the back for wired charging and an aux input for other devices. The wake-up light gradually brightens to help you transition out of sleep, while the alarm volume slowly increases. This is a solid mid-range pick if you want one device to do everything. The wireless charger is convenient, though you'll need to align your phone precisely to get it charging. The RGB lights add a great modern vibe to the room. It's a functional, all-in-one solution that simplifies your nightstand without breaking the bank. It's a smart, versatile choice. The JACKYLED305 is the heavy-duty option for power users. It's essentially a high-capacity power strip with a clock built into the front. It packs 3 AC outlets and 4 USB ports into one compact unit. That means you can juice up 7 different gadgets at the same time. It's built with 1700J surge protection and fire-resistant materials, so your expensive electronics stay safe from power spikes. The display is a 5.3-inch LED screen with 4 levels of dimming. It also features a dual alarm setup with a 9-minute snooze function. The plug is angled at 45 degrees, which is a nice touch for fitting behind furniture. It uses 2 AAA batteries for memory backup during power outages. This is a budget-friendly powerhouse for anyone with a crowded desk or nightstand. It's not the most stylish clock on the list, but it's incredibly practical. It replaces a messy power strip and gives you a clear, readable display in the process. If you have a phone, tablet, and a lamp all fighting for one outlet, this is your fix. It's a reliable workhorse. The DreamSky DS313 is the perfect set-it-and-forget-it clock. We're impressed because it sets itself the moment you plug it in. It automatically pulls the time, date, and temperature, and it even handles daylight savings time without you lifting a finger. The 5-inch LCD screen features a full-range dimmer wheel, so you can dial in the exact brightness you want. It packs 1 USB charging port for your phone and a battery backup that keeps your settings safe during a power cut. It supports 7 different USA time zones and includes an ascending beeping alarm. The snooze button is huge and easy to find, giving you an extra 8 minutes of sleep. It's designed to be simple and reliable. This is a high-value pick for anyone who wants zero-hassle technology. It's especially great for seniors or busy professionals who don't want to read a manual just to set the time. It's compact, easy to read from across the room, and does exactly what a clock should do. It's a no-nonsense, reliable tool for any bedroom. Finally, we have the Peakeep MHP6010. This is the one for the heavy sleepers who usually sleep through their phone alarms. It features a high decibel ringer that can reach 103 decibels, which is loud enough to wake up just about anyone. It packs 5 different volume settings, so you can adjust it to your needs. The display is massive, with 2-inch tall digits that are easy to read without glasses. It includes one USB charging port and 5 levels of display brightness. The alarm starts off slow and gradually builds to ensure you actually wake up. It also has a battery backup that triggers the alarm even if the main power goes out. You can shut the alarm off by pressing any button on the back. This is a budget-friendly beast that focuses on the basics. It's lightweight, easy to set up, and incredibly effective at its primary job. If you've struggled with quiet alarms in the past, this high-volume option is a game-changer. It's a practical, loud, and dependable choice for deep sleepers. It really gets the job done without any fluff. And that wraps up the top 5 best digital alarm clocks with USB ports. We chose these because they offer a mix of high-end features, massive charging capacity, and reliable alarms. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe to Hype Tech Picks, and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest tech picks. Check the links in the description for more info. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.